morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will continue our exercise 2.5. Okay. Question 1 and 2 we have done in previous video. Now today we will start question number 3. Okay. So now question number 3. Find the quotients and remainders and also check the answer in each of the following. The same way which we have done in question 1 and 2. The same is in question 3 also. Here is also we have to find quotients and remainders, and we have to check our answer also. Check means verification also we have to do. But in question 1 we have 1 digit divisor, in question 2 2 digit divisor, and now there is divisor in 3 digit. Okay, so we will divide it by 3 digit number. The same process will follow here also. So first of all, a part is there, 6,25,794 divided by 125. So now let me start solution. Now, first of all, we should put in division symbol. Okay. So now, 6,25,794 divided by 125. Okay. Now as I told you that how many digits we have in divisor, that many digits we take in dividend. So now there is in divisor 3 digit. Okay. And so in dividend also we will take 3 digit 1, 2, 3. Okay. In 3 digit, but we have 625. So we check that these 3 digits are smaller than our divisor or greater than our divisor. If these are smaller, so we will take one more digit, means 4 digit we will take. Whenever we have smaller than divisor, then we increase one more digit to make the big. Because if we will take smaller only 3 digit and these are smaller, so we will divide on the 0, and in the beginning there is no need of dividing on 0 because in the beginning there is no value of 0. So that's why we increase one more digit. But here we can see that 625 is greater than 125. So that means this is correct. We take only 3 digits. Now how we will divide? One method is that we make the table of 125 in our rough notebook. You make the table of divisor and then you can do. Okay? But that will take a lot of time. That also you can do in rough notebook. Otherwise in fairs inside you can make. But that will take a lot of time. So the second method is that, and that you have to apply in higher classes also and here also that you have to apply. How you have to find that on which number we will take the table. So there is a easy method. There is 3 digit number. So for finding table that at which number we have to take, we skip 1's column and 10's column. But if we skip 1's and 10's column, so in 100 column here is 1. And in one table every number comes. So we can't find that at which number we have to take. Okay. So when you have in last, here is 1. So what we do, we will skip only 1's column. From here also we skip 1's column and from here also we skip 1's column. 3 digit number we have to take, and from this 3 digit we will skip last 1's column. Okay, and now we recite the table of 12 where we have 62. So we can get that at which number we will take the table. So we know that 12 5's are 60. That means we will take on the 5. 125 on 5 number. Because 12 5's are 60. 60 is smaller than 125. So we get that at which number we will take a table. Okay. So अब हमें पता चल गया on the 5 number we will take the table. So we write here 5. Now 5. We should multiply it by 5, so we will make it stable. Multiply by 5 and write that number here. 5 5's are 25. 2 goes carry. 5 2's are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 goes carry. 5 1's are 5. 5 or 1, 6. So we make the table and we write here answer. ओके, आंसर हमें यहाँ पे राइट करना है, टेबल हमें बनानी है, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ओरली वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई एंड वी राइट आवर आंसर डाउन ऑफ द नंबर. ओके, नाउ वी डू minus 5 minus 5 0 0 0. 625 minus 625, that's become 0. Now we note down next digit. Next is what? 7. Now 125. In 125, where we table where we have 7. We don't have 7, so we will take on the 0. 125 zeros are 0. Whenever we note down digits from upside, when we note down, so we should do divide. Definitely we have to do divide. If this is not divide, so we will take on the 0. If that number is not coming in the table and that is smaller, so we will take on the 0. So now we will take on the 0. Now 7 minus 0 is 7. Now we note down next. Next is what? 9. Now it's become 79. Again 79 is smaller than 125. So again we will take on 0. Whenever we are noting down from upside digit, we have to definitely divide. So now 125 zeros are 0. Again we will take on 0. And now 9 minus 0, 9, and there is 7. And then next digit, next is 4. Now 794, it is greater than 125. That means now we will find on which number we will take a table. So now we skip ones column from both sides. Now in 12 table, where is 79? So in 12 table we don't have 79, but we have 12 6 are 72. 72 is smaller than 79. So the 6th number we have smaller. So we will take on the 6. Okay. So we will take on the 6. Now 125 multiplied by 6. We recite the table of 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 goes carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 1 carry. Now 6 1s are 6. 6 or 1? 7. So our answer is 750. Now we do minus. So we make the table. Okay. If we write the table, so that take lot of time. So orally we can find at which number we have to take, and like this you can do. Because if we write a complete table, so that's take 5 minutes to write the table. 4 minus 0, 4. Now 9 minus 5, that's also 4. And 7 minus 7, 0. So what's your answer? 44. That is not your answer, that is your remainder. Answer, what we call answer? Quotient is called answer. In division, quotient is called answer. So this is your answer, 5006. And this is our remainder. Number left over after division, that is remainder. So what's your quotient here? We write your quotient. Quotient equals to 5006. And remainder, what's your remainder here? 44. That's your remainder. Now what we find? Now we will do verification. So in the side we will do verification. Okay. So I told you the method of verification. So here we will do verification. Verification. Okay. So what's the method of verification? Dividend equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Whatever our dividend, that should be equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So we write here dividend equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay. So now we will do quotient is 5006 multiplied by divisor is 125. Okay, we should multiply it. So now 5 6 are 30. We write here 0 and 3 goes carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. Now we cross 1's column. 2 6 are 12. 1 carries. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. Now again we cross 1's and 10's column. 1 6 are 6. 1 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. Now we do addition. Okay. So now there is 0, 5. Now 7. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 1, 6. Now what we do? Now we should add remainder. Now remainder is 44. So we add our remainder 44. So we added 44. So 4, 9, 7, 5, 2, 6. So what's your answer? 6,25,794. Now check from dividend. That is same one as your dividend. You can see that our dividend is also 6,25,794. That means this complete process is correct. We have verified here that our process is correct. So like this you will do its all part. Yes, now question number 4. We start question number 4. So question number 4 is what? Solve the following word problems. Here is word problems is given. 3 word problems are there. So now A part, we start A part. Okay, A part is there. If 7 friends divide 76,892 colored beads amongst themselves, how many beads will each friend get, and would there be any leftover beads? So here is given that 7 friends are there and they divide these 76,892 color beads. They have 76,892 colored beads and they divide themselves, means वो खुद में उनको divides करते हैं. Okay, then how many beads will each friend get? Every friend को कितनी beads मिलेंगे? And would there be any leftover beads? और कोई beads बचेंगे भी उनके पास? So that we have to solve. Okay, now we start here solution. Total number of beads. First of all, these beads they have. So total number of beads are how many? 76,892. Okay. Now how many friends? 7 friends. There is given that 7 friends divide. 7 friends are dividing. Okay. So number of friends, how many? 7. We write here number of friends 7. Now we come on our question. How many beads will each friend get? So how many we will remove? We will write beads will each friend get. For that we will do divide because there is 7 friends and we have to find each. जब हमें ज्यादा का गिवन है 7 फ्रेंड्स को ये मिल रहे हैं तो एवरी को तो कम मिलेंगे. फॉर लेस वी विल डू डिवाइड क्योंकि whenever we know the more and we are finding 1 each means 1 every one. So whenever we are finding every one, so for that we will do divide. जब हमें ज्यादा का 7 का पता है 1 का फाइंड करना है तो उसके लिए हम डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट मी डिवाइड नाउ. So 70 we will put here divide symbol. We will show here solution. Okay, 76,892 divided by 7. Okay, now we will solve here. So 1 digit is there, so we will take here 1 digit. In 1 digit there is 7. Both are equal, so we will take only 1 digit. If that is smaller, then we take 2 digits together. But this is equal, so we will take only 1 digit. Now in 7 table, where we have 7? On the 1 number, 7 ones are 7. So we write here 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Now we note down 6. Now in 7 table, we don't have 6 because 6 is smaller than 7. So what we do now? We will take on 0 because 7 ones are 7. On the 1 number we have big, so we will take on the 0. So definitely we have to divide. Whenever we are noting down अप साइड से हमने नीचे नोट किया है, सो डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू डिवाइड हियर. सो 7 zeros are 0. Now 6 minus 0 is 6. Now next is 8. Now it's become 68. Now we recite the table of 7. 7 nines are 63. So we'll take on the 9. 63. Now 8 minus 3, 5. Now we note down next. Next is 9. Now again we recite the table of 7. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. Many of you recite the wrong table. Yesterday also I checked that many have done 7 eights are 54. That is wrong. 7 eights are 56. Now we do minus. 9 minus 6, 3. And 5 minus 5, 0. Now we note down next. Next is 2. Now 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 35 are greater than 32. So we will take on the 4 number. So here 4. 7 fours are 28. Now 32 minus 28, 4. And there is 0. You can do like this. 12 minus 8, 4. And 2 minus 2, 0. So here is asking that would there be any leftover bits? Any leftover means कोई bits बचेंगे. So yes, how many bits are left? 4 bits. And each friend get 10,984 bits. So bits will each friend get 10,984 bits. So we write here 10,984 bits. Okay. Now how many bits left? 4. So we write here that there is asking would there be any leftover bits? So yes, 4 bits will be left over. So we write here 4 bits will be left over. Okay, that's your answer. So like this you will do. Downside also, I have no space downside, you can write downside also. If you want to write downside, you can write downside. Otherwise in the side also you can write 4 bits will be left over. Okay, that's your answer. Now it's a B part. Yes, now question 4B part. There are 52,098 apples to be packed in 16 boxes. 52,098 apples to be packed in 16 boxes. Okay, 16 boxes के अंदर पैक करना है. How many apples will be there in each box? Now you should tell that how many apples will be there in each box. In every box, how many apples? In 16 box, these many apples. So in each box, less apple. 16 में जब इतनी आ रही है आपके पास तो 1 box में तो less कम आएगी. So for that we will do divide. Okay. Now here is asking that how many apples will be left over. Left over means remainder. How much apples will be left? जो remainder होगा that apples will be left over. That will be extra because remainder is left over number. Okay. So now we will do division. We should start our solution. So solution is there. So first sentence what will be there? You should solve always word problem with sentence. So first sentence is there. There are apples to be packed in 16 boxes. How many apples? 52,098. These apples packed in 16 boxes. Now second sentence. Apples will be there in each box. We have to find how many apples. So we will remove how many because how many comes in question. When we do solution then we don't use how many. So apples will be there in each box equals to 52,098 divided by 16. So now we should divide here. We should show solution here. Now 52,098 divided by 16. Now in 16 how many digits? 2. So 2 digit is there, so inside also 2 digit. In 2 digit what we have? 52. It is greater than 16. So we take only 2 digits. Now we recite the table of 16 where we have 52. So we know that in 16 table we don't have 52. So where will we take? 16 ones are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 48. So we take on the 3 number. 16 3s are 48. Now from 2 we can't subtract, so we will take borrowing. So 12 minus 8, 4 and there is 0. Now we note down next, it's become 14. Again we recite 16 table, 16 2s are 32. So we will take on 2 number, there will be 32. Now 40 minus 32, 8, there will be 0. Because 10 minus 2 is 8 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we note down next, 9. Now again recite 16 table, 16 5s are 80. So we write here 5, 16 5s are 80. Now 9 minus 0 is 9 and 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we next note down, that is 8. Again we recite 16 table, 16 6 are 96. So we'll take on the 6 number, 96. Now 8 minus 6, 2 and 9 minus 9, 0. Now digits are finished from upside, 0, 9, 8 all have been noted down. So all are finished, that means 2 is our remainder. So that 2 apples will be left over. They is asking that how many apples will be left over. So 2 apples will be left over. That's our remainder. So these many will be left and apples will be in each box 3256. These apples will be in each box because in 16 box these many. So in one box less apples. So this will be the answer, 3256 apples. 256 apples in each box. Okay, and now we write here, they are asking that how many apples will be left over. So 2 apples will be left over. Okay, will be left over. That's your answer. Which apples will be left over? In division we have 2 answers. One is left over, means remainder, and that's our quotient. Okay, so that's our answer. You can write downside also sometimes. If you want to write downside, you can write here also. Okay, now it's a C part. Okay, now question for C part. Ravi wants to distribute 3,06,390 stickers among 30 students of his class. He wants to distribute these stickers to his class and their student is 30 and how many stickers are there? 3,06,390. These stickers. Now how many stickers would each student get? Means each student would get how many stickers? One each means everyone. हर एक को कितने stickers मिलेंगे हर एक students को? Will there be any leftover sticker? और कोई sticker बचेगा भी? जैसे हमने जब हम इनको सब बच्चों को divide कर देंगे सभी students को, so after dividing that there will be any left, means if there is any remainder will left, that means sticker will left. Okay, so 30 students को ये स्टिकर है तो ईच हर एक को, जैसे 30 स्टूडेंट्स को आपकी क्लास में आप टॉफीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो, आप 30 स्टूडेंट्स में 60 टॉफी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है तो हर स्टूडेंट को तो कम मिलेगी थोड़ी कि हर एक को 60 मिल जाएगी. फॉर एवरी वन दैट विल बी लेस स्टिकर. हर एक को तो कम मिलेगा, सारों को मिला के इतने मिल रहे हैं तो हर एक को तो कम मिलेंगे. फॉर दैट वी विल डू डिवाइड. ओके, सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. So first sentence, total number of stickers. Total number of stickers is 3,06,390. Now number of student, how many students? 30. So number of student 30. Now each student would get stickers. It is asking that how many stickers each student get. So we write here each student would get stickers equals to 3,06,390 divided by 30. Okay. So let me divide now. 3,06,390 divided by 30. Now you can see that 30 is 2-digit number. So here also we will take 2 digit. In 2 digit the same number is there, 30. So we can divide it. Okay. On the one number we will take 30 ones are 30. 30 table is very easy. We should recite 3 table and with that we will take 0. So that's become 30 table. Okay. Now 30 minus 30 is 0. Now we note down 6. Now we know that 6 is smaller than 30. So we can't divide. So we will take on the 0. 30 zeros are 0. Now 6 minus 0 is 6. Now we note down 3. Now again we recite 30 table. 32 jar 60. 3 2 jar 6. So 32 jar 60. So we take on the 2 number 60. Now 3 minus 0 3. Now we note down next. Next is 9. Again now we recite 3 table. So in 3 table where is 39? Again we recite 30 table. 31s are 30. So we take on the 1. 31s are 30. Now 9 minus 0 9 and 3 minus 3 0. Now we note down 0. Again 30 table. So in 3 table where is 9? 3 3 jar 9. So 30 in 30 table where is 90? 33 jar 90. Okay. So we will take here 90. 90 minus 90 0. Now there is any sticker left. They is asking that will there be any leftover sticker? So no, 0 is left over. That means nothing left. 0 is left. Okay, so no sticker left and each student will get 10,213 stickers. So we write here each student will get 10,213 stickers. Okay, these stickers will each student get. And now there is asking will there be any leftover stickers? So we write here no, there will be no any sticker left. Okay, no, there will be no any sticker left. There will be no any sticker left. Okay, so no, there will be no any sticker left. Okay, so like this you will do your question. Thank you.